Welcome to the Westgate semi-annual live webinar. Today, we are going to share some initiatives we have been working on to drive your sales and profitability to new heights. We have adopted a broader approach to reaching homes and businesses to encourage energy savings. We now offer professional lighting layout design to the public at no cost, and we connect the leads generated to our local WIP customers. Our catalog now showcases a wide range of options with pre-installed sensors, smart sensors, emergency features, or both. This is in addition to our in-house customization capabilities in order to offer you a faster shipping and a lower cost. Please check out our Builder Series products that offer the most competitive pricing. Here are some measures that set Westgate apart from others. The WIP program. We offer our best services and products exclusively to our WIP customers, from silver to platinum levels. We'll continue to carefully select distributors to maintain the quality of our partnerships and refrain from selling everything to everyone. Rigorous quality control. As you have seen on the screen today, we employ automation and technology to maintain multiple quality checkpoints to ensure a hassle-free experience for you in the field. Competitive and predictable pricing. Our pricing structure is designed to provide transparency and consistency. Also remember, in addition to our seasonal price book, we offer the quarterly specials on commodity items with the sharpest prices in the market. Thank you once again for your time and partnership today. Our team promises to work hard to increase your opportunities and success rate.
With Westgate, the future is here, and it's quite bright.